Okay, today's flight is going to be a bit different. I'm trying to reach out to some of my growing fans in Japan, so we're going to be flying from Fukuoka to Tokyo, believe it or not. It's going to be a fun flight. Again, usual Xplane 12. This time we're on 2.0. I think it's 2.1 on the beta version, and we're also doing the Zibo mod for the B737 800. So lots of fun. So here's going to be our route today, right? We're going to be taking off on 16 left from RJFF and heading our way. We're going to be using the Yokohama 6 departure, and then our arrival into not Narita, but we're going to be going to Haneda International, would be on 16 left. It's an ILS landing we're going to be doing, and we're going to be using the Axel arrival, right? So this is a lot of fun. So I use Navi chart first to kind of make sure I chart things out, and as usual I head over to SimBrief, and what SimBrief allows me to do is just put some information, how many passengers we're gonna have, and all that good stuff, and what, you know, we're going to be using Japan Air today, JAL 924. Yeah, so initial altitude is going to be, cruising altitude is 37,000, and I mentioned we have 120, and eventually we're going to be also doing our takeoff calculation here. It's going to let us know in the current situation our flaps should be set to 5. We're looking at a V1 of 142, 143, and 149 for V2. This is good to know later on. We have wind 100 at 108 at 130 is what we need to be looking at, an average wind. Yeah, so all of this information we're going to be setting up later on, right? So yeah, so this is going to be our flight for today, and I'll see you for the preparation.